Baby Caddy Organizer Portable, Baby Basket by Condico is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. 15 inches. 10 inches. 7 inches ? 2 times stronger. Unlike some others that are wobbly, the manufacturer's Baby Diaper Caddy Organizer comes with a double layer of felt to stay in shape. This baby tote organizer is a functional nursery bag that fits all baby's essentials. Removable handles. This baby basket is great for compact spaces, and easy to fasten to your baby's stroller. The manufacturer's changing table basket and diaper caddy organizer hanging makes additional storage easy. Up to 22 pounds. The manufacturer's diaper caddy organizer for changing table and felt diaper caddy can handle the weight of your necessities. This diaper bag girl can easily carry diapers, wipes and more. Stay organized. The manufacturer's Baby Caddy Organizer Portable and baby newborn accessories have endless applications. When baby outgrows diapers, use the car diaper organizer to organize toys, arts and crafts. Great baby shower gift. This unisex diaper bag is a perfect baby shower basket that can be packaged for different celebrations. This diaper bag boys and baby stuff organizer comes with 3 fun colors: